Hello viewers. Welcome to Natural and Simple channel. If you are new to us, please like and subscribe to my channel.
DIY egg white face mask recipes for beautiful skin. Today I am going to show you how to make acne busting egg white face mask. This pimple fighting face mask has 3 powerhouse ingredients that you can find in every kitchen. It's simple to make and super inexpensive. You simply can't afford to miss the numerous benefits. First of all, crack 1 chicken egg in a clean mixing bowl. Egg yolk is beneficial for skin. Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fats, which makes it a great water binding agent that locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft and supple. Egg yolk face masks work wonders for people with dry or flaky skin. The nutrients in egg yolks work to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize dull skin.
One teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice is powerful astringent that fights off acne-causing bacteria, lightens skin and reduces discoloration. 1 teaspoon of olive oil.
Olive oil is nature's own Botox, locks moisture into skin cells and moisturizes dehydrated skin.
Whisk together the egg white and lemon juice and olive oil until the mixture becomes frothy. Using clean hands or a brush, apply the mixture onto your face, avoiding the sensitive areas around your mouth and eyes. Keep the mask on for 10-15 minutes. When the mixture has completely dried on your face, wash your face with warm water to open up your pores. Pat dry with a towel, and marvel at the smooth feel of your skin. Apply the moisturizer upwards from your chin to your cheeks and then to your forehead using a gentle circular motion. This is how to transform your skin complexion in 4 weeks. I love discovering and sharing DIY beauty tips, especially all natural solutions that you can easily make at home. Thank you for watching. We will see you in next videos.